Welcome everyone. So today we will discuss about chemical properties of acids and bases. So here it is given, how do acids and bases react with metals? Activity 2.3. Caution. This activity needs the teacher's assistance. Set the apparatus as shown in figure 2.1. Take about 5 ml of dilute sulfuric acid in a test tube and add a few pieces of zinc granules to it. What do you observe on the surface of zinc granules? Pass the gas being evolved through the soap solution. Why are bubbles formed in the soap solution? Take a burning candle near a gas-filled bubble. What do you observe? Repeat this activity with some more acids like HCl, HNO3 and CH3COOH. Are the observations in all the cases the same or different? So here it is saying about the reaction between zinc metal and sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid. First we will see arrangement. So here we have taken zinc granules in a test tube and we have added 5 ml of dilute sulfuric acid, and then the mouth of the test tube it is closed with the help of rubber cork, and one delivery tube it is put, and that the one end of the delivery tube it is inside the soap solution. So this is about the basic of the arrangement. Now what observation we will get? So we will find that when zinc and sulfuric acid they are reacting, then we observe that the bubbles it will start forming on the surface or over the surface of the zinc granules. So why these bubbles are getting formed? These bubbles are getting formed because of the evolution of hydrogen gas. Now as inside the test tube hydrogen gas is evolving, so with the help of delivery tube or through delivery tube this hydrogen gas it is passed in the soap solution. Once the hydrogen gas is passed in the soap solution, then again bubble formation will take place. And now when we bring burning candle near these bubble or the soap bubbles we can say, so when we will bring burning candle near soap bubble, we will observe that this gas it burns with pop sound. So as this gas is burning with pop sound, so this is the confirmatory test for hydrogen gas, or we can say that this is a characteristic property of hydrogen gas. So that is how we are confirming that the gas which is evolving in the test tube it is the hydrogen gas. So this is about this activity. Now one or few more questions are given here. Repeat this activity with some more acids like HCl, HNO3 and CH3COOH. That means HCl, HNO3 they are strong acids, and CH3COOH it is acidic acid formula and it is weak acid. So are the observations in all the cases are same or different? So in all the cases you will find the same observation. Same observation means whenever any metal is reacting with acid, whether it is strong or whether it is weak, then a salt of that metal is formed and hydrogen gas is evolving. So we will find same observation in different acids, like if it is weak or if it is strong. But the only difference will be there. Suppose if you are using acidic acid instead of sulfuric acid, then you will find that the bubble formation is slow or the evolution of gas is slow. Why? Because this acid is weak, so the rate of reaction it becomes slow. But you will find rest of the things same, like salt of the metal as well as hydrogen gas. So here it is given that note that the metal in the above reaction displaces hydrogen atom from the acid as hydrogen gas and forms a compound called a salt. Thus the reaction of a metal with an acid can be summarized as, when acid reacts with metal it forms salt and hydrogen gas. Can you now write the equations for the reactions you have observed? I think you will be able to write this, so try to write the reaction. You write the reaction of zinc metal with sulfuric acid as well as with hydrochloric acid. So here suppose if we are using zinc metal, and if zinc metal is reacting with dilute sulfuric acid, so the salt of the zinc metal will be zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas definitely. Same way if you are taking zinc metal and if it is reacting with dilute hydrochloric acid, then the salt will be zinc chloride. Again it is a salt of zinc metal and hydrogen gas will be evolved. So this is about you can say that acid plus metal, this equation which is given here, that you are getting salt and hydrogen gas. This equation is the basic equation by, or you can say it's a kind of formula, and just by putting the different acid and different metal you can write the products in this case. Now this is about the reaction between zinc metal and acid. Suppose instead of acid if we are taking base, then what kind of observation we will have. Before that, you try to write this equations of zinc metal with dilute sulfuric acid as well as dilute hydrochloric acid.